Legal record keeping for small businesses. If you're a small business, you're going to need to keep records for tax purposes, for litigation purposes, for liability purposes. There's a lot of times where you'll end up going back to those records, including your operating documents. So what you want to do is you want to start building systems as soon as you can. If you're already up and running, you're not in an unusual situation. A lot of businesses end up in this situation where they've been up and running, they didn't really think about the record keeping, but now they have to go back and revisit that. So you want to make sure you get that right. What do? Well, you build a filing system. Nowadays, more and more people are doing it electronically. You get a Google Drive, you get a Microsoft OneDrive, you get some type of system that multiple employees have access to, and you build a folder structure. What you'll probably want to do is sit down with your lawyer and your accountant and your team and make sure you're structuring that right. Corporate documents go in one file, sales contracts go in another file, real estate deals go in another file. Make sure you have things separated by companies if you have multiple legal entities involved. The whole point is to have a nice, organized system where everybody knows where to put things when they happen. And then you periodically want to make sure everything's in there, because what you don't want to do is get further down the line and then find out, wow, I wish we had this in our files, or we lost something important. So you want to be monitoring that from the beginning. So build that filing system along with your team in a way that's logical to you and your business. Some things will always look the same, right? You always have a set of corporate documents, your articles of incorporation, your certificate of formation, LLC agreement, bylaws, those types of things. You always have some sales contracts. You'll probably have some real estate dealings, whether it's dealing with owning real estate or leasing real estate. So some of these categories are going to look the same. But as you get into your operations, maybe you have different types of products. Maybe you want to subdivide that. Build all of that out the right way from the beginning and use that filing system. And get somebody that really cares about details to make sure those files are being kept well. If you have questions or comments that are general in nature, go and drop them below. We always welcome those. Don't put anything there confidential. Other people might see your comments. Hope you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you for more videos soon.